Okay, so I've got my scene with a bag dropping with soft body or cloth mechanics on it. I've got a background that's sort of moving like cascading water. I've got textures and so forth, but the scene's a little bit boring. I want to add some particle effects, and I think I'd like to add some more physics. This time with like fluid dynamics, some liquid dripping. But I think I need to have some things with it interacting rather than just a flat floor that it would fall on. So I'm going to take a moment and maybe just make a couple of rough hewn rock shapes to apply to the background. So we'll take a moment to do that. All right, so something like this. Let's just go ahead and apply a material to them, and I'll just use a material that I did in the previous video. You just go ahead and apply this ground material, something like that. Do that as well here on these items. Take a look. Yeah, that might work. I'll take a closer look at the. Yeah, I mean, like here's this area where I extruded some things, so maybe I need to do a little bit of tweaking to how the materials are applied. But overall, I think that that makes for a better looking general scene if I add a few more elements to this. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. I think that that's much more workable.